In this video I'm going to show you how to download an Amazon invoice or receipt on your iPhone. This feature is currently not available on Amazon app, so we will be using Safari browser. Using the browser, open Amazon.com website and log into your account. Next, go to the top right and tap near your profile icon. Once the drop-down screen appears, under your order section, tap on See All. This will bring up the list of recent orders that you have made through your Amazon account. Next, find the order that you need the invoice for. Scroll down to Order Info section and select View Order Details. Next, tap on View Invoice. The complete invoice for the order is now displayed. To obtain a PDF copy, tap on the link on the top that says Print this page for your record. Next, tap on the share icon on the top left corner of screen. A PDF of the invoice is now generated that can be sent by a message or by email. This is how to download an invoice for Amazon order. Thanks for watching.